All right, it's really hard. It is tough. It's race against time for those rescue teams as 31 bodies have so far been recovered. Over 170 people are still missing in the Chamoli disaster area that's caused by the glacial burst which led to an avalanche on Sunday. Drones are being used to restore mobile network in Raini village, one of the worst hit villages. This is the same village where the Rishiganga power project was completely destroyed and swept away right after the bridge swept away during the avalanche at Malari. Rishiganga Hydro Project General Manager Basharat Zargar, who is a resident of Srinagar, is also missing. The National Disaster Response Force has said that its personnel recovered 2 bodies from debris in Raini village of right this morning. In fact, SDRF teams is also using a dog squad in the area to ascertain whether there is any person alive or dead under debris. Private and IAF helicopters have also so far distributed around 100 ration kits in the affected areas of 13 villages with a total population of around 2,500. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat undertook an aerial survey of the affected areas, visited the ITBP hospital in Joshimath and even met with 12 workers who were rescued from the small tunnel in Tapovan.
You have seen operations of drone for the surveillance, for monitoring, but here in Chamoli post-disaster, the drones are being used to ensure connectivity, to restore the connectivity, mobile telecom connectivity which has lost across side of the river in Raini village. Here the mobile company officers using this technology. The drone was sent to other side with this nylon rope. This minute thread was sent through drone to the other side, and now a rope is being sent other side, which will be used further to send the fiber optical cable to the other side. And this optical cable will ensure mobile connectivity, particularly for those people in several villages, including part of Raini, which has been completely disconnected after the strategic highway was swept away in the massive flash flood. The drone was used, and here this nylon thread is being used further, which will be carried by the drone, and later the optical cable. Well, that's the technology here being used in Chamoli post-devastation. But for now, at ground zero in Chamoli with Sanjay, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
हमारा मेन टास्क है कि बॉर्डर में आगे से आगे तक रोड को कनेक्ट करना। जैसे कि अगर इसको सामरिक दृष्टि से भी देखा जाए तो आगे का पूरा इलाका काफी कट ऑफ है, और उस लिहाज से भी ये जो इलाका है इसको कनेक्टिविटी करने के लिए यही एक रोड है। तो हमारा पूरा फोकस, मेन फोकस अभी तक इस गांव में आगे की जो राहत सामग्री पहुंचाने के लिए आगे रोड को पहुंचाना हमारी सब मेन प्राथमिकता।
कल रात भर वहाँ पे जो टीम्स है ITBP की, NDRF, SDRF और RP का पूरा रात भर लगे हुए थे, और JCB जो 2 लगे थे वो पूरा रात भर मलबा निकाल रही है, क्योंकि नीचे स्लोप है, ढलान है, तो जैसे जैसे निकाल रहे हैं दूसरे अंदर से काफ़ी मलबा बाहर निकल रही है, तो पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। स्लो प्रोग्रेस है, पर हमें उम्मीद है कि धीरे धीरे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मलबा निकाल पाएंगे।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.